Well, hello there. Super excited to be here with you all today. Just wanted to share some new products that just came out that I think you're going to absolutely love. And it's going to help you step out of your comfort zone. So, why not, right? It's the beginning of the year. So, if you are thinking about ways that you can step out of your comfort zone with your beauty routine, then you definitely want to watch this. So, right now, I'm not sure if you knew, there are three new eyeliners and then there are three new lip liners that are available in the Mary Kay line. And I have two lip liners and I have two eyeliners that I'm going to show you today. Now, traditionally, I know most of you are probably catered to the old traditional black, brown, blue, maybe even gray when it comes to eyeliner. Well, this year, Mary Kay has allowed us to step out of our comfort zone, and they're doing something a whole lot different by giving us some other colors that are limited edition, though, that will allow you to try something new and improve. Now, the one thing, before I show you the new colors, the one thing that I absolutely love about the eyeliner is typically when you use the eyeliner and you have like a dull tip like this, so it's not pointed, as you can see. But the great thing is there's a sharpener. I don't know if you guys knew that. There's a sharpener on the end of the lip liner as well as the eyeliner that allows you to sharpen that tip. When you're applying your eyeliner, you have that nice pointy tip that you can actually use to make your line really thin or as thick as you would like. So if you haven't tried that yet, see how the tip is pointy now? It'll allow you to do that. It's not just like that on the eyeliner. It's actually like that on the lip liner too. So this is the lip liner. I still pull it out the bottom. And when I pull up oh no, here it is. Okay. All right. So when I pull up the lip liner, I can do the same thing. Got the little sharpener to sharpen right at the top. So then I can truly apply it on my lips with a nice pointy tip. So just keep that in mind when you do that. All of the lip liner and the eyeliners have that option. So got to keep you sharp and going. So going on to the new stuff. So I wanted to show you two of the eyeliners that they have. One is called Emerald, and then the other one is called Violet Lilac. Now, I am going to tell you, I love the Violet Lilac. It's a little bit lighter on me because I'm of a darker complexion. I'm sure the beige and the ivory skin tones will absolutely love it. But my way of making it come out more on my skin tone is I just added some eyeshadow on top of it. And I use the Merlot. So this is the Merlot color that I actually use to make it a little bit darker. So this makes it a little bit darker on me so I can actually see it on my skin tone, but I will just draw the line here on me. Can you see that? So that's exactly what it looks like. But when I put that Merlot on top, it makes it pop just a little, just makes it a little bit darker. It still has that metallic finish, as you can see here, but it just makes it a little bit darker. So if you are of a darker persuasion and you want to use the Violet Lilac, that will be your way of doing it. And I just use the double end brush that has the pointy end for eyeliner. Just put it in there. I put this on so I can just show you really quick. I put this on. I've really been doing a lot of the cat eye here lately, and I already have eyeliner on right here, but I just put it on. You probably could put it over your black too, like I'm doing right now. And it's still coming up in the purple. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it still allows you to do that. And just so you know, when I do it, I want to make sure that I have a nice tip, and the tip is already sharpened because I had done this earlier, but I'm just kind of gently holding my eye. This allows me to bring out the stuff right here so you can really see it. So you can see that purple line there, and it just makes it pop. So I put this on top of black eyeliner, and you can see it's a little bit darker than what it was. Or like I said, you can use this Merlot as an option too. So just know you can make it dark as you want it. But because my skin is more pigmented, I had to put a little bit more. And like I said, I just put it over the dark, the black that I had already, so you can see. So you can still see that purple line there. So that's one of the colors. So that's the lilac, and I'm going to do a little Mardi Gras style. I'm going to put purple on one eye, I'm going to put green on the other. So this is the emerald, and it's popping too. So I'm going to do the same thing on this eye. I'm just going to put it on top of the black, and the green to me seems like it's a little bit more potent, but I hadn't tried it by itself. And then I'm going to put it on the rest of the eye, just holding the eye. I'm not really pulling it, I'm just holding it so I can get the other end of it, just that tail of the cat eye. So this is the green, and then this is the purple. So you can try both of those. They look absolutely wonderful. As I said, they will look good on any complexion. And like I said, I just put it on top of the black, and it's still, and I guess doing it on top of the black, you can still see it. It's still the metallic look, so you can still rock that. So now I kind of got the purple and green. I'm going to rock that for Mardi Gras for sure. So for those of you that live in Mobile. So we have we have these two, and then their other one is called Copper, and the Copper is more of a gold. So it's almost, I mean, it's got like a Mardi Gras flavor, right? The Copper is and I didn't get that one. I don't know. It just didn't intrigue me to get that one. But I wanted these two because I love the color, and I knew I could really make it pop. Especially when I just do the mismatch eye, the green eye, and then the purple eye. All right, so next thing I wanted to also show you, because they do also have the lip liner. Now this one right here, I saw this and I was just like, I gotta try this. Now this is an orange, and I already kind of have red on my lips, but I think I'm just gonna take it off so you can see what it looks like. This one right here is called Tangerine, and as you see, it still has the sharpener at the bottom, so you could just pull out the bottom. But I'm gonna try this on. I'm gonna take this off with my eye makeup remover so you can see what it looks like. Okay. All right, so I've taken that off, and I'm gonna actually try on the Tangerine. Now, typically when I don't know, when I saw this, I was just like, I'm just gonna use it as a liner. But I would just fill in my lips like this and wear it by itself, and then it has more of a matte look. So I'm thinking if you wear like Poppy Please, this would look great with Poppy Please, or you can wear it by itself like what I'm doing right now. But I just think it's a great color. Again, it's popping. It's just like, yeah, how you doing? How your mama doing? But if you're interested in trying that out, this is called Tangerine, and they gonna see you coming with this. If you don't want something that sees you coming, don't get this lip liner. Okay, I'm telling you full warning, because as you can see, it's bright. It's bright. All right, so we got that, and then the other one that I got is more of a subtle color. It's a berry. So I don't know. I kind of think about berries as a neutral. This is called Violet Lilac. This one is Amethyst for the eyeliner. The Amethyst and the Emerald for the eyeliner. This is called Violet Lilac. So this is a lip liner as well. This looks great with colors like Luminous Lilac, which you guys know that's like my favorite. That's like my go-to as far as Luminous Lilac. I absolutely love that color. So I'm gonna I try to get all this off so you can still see it, because this is not as bold as the orange. This is more subtle, and it still gives me that matte look, and I like it. So you can have the bold eyes with the green as well as the purple that I'm gonna be rocking for Mardi Gras. I'm gonna have to put that on with I know I'm gonna have to put that on when I do my makeup for Mardi Gras ball. So I will be rocking that. I have to take a picture. And in addition to that, you have the other colors. So let me know if you want to try these out. I don't have samples, I can tell you that. It's just when you get the product, it will just be full size. Of course, the 100% guarantee is going to be in full effect for this. So if you decide that you get it and you don't like it, but I think you'll love it based on what I'm trying here, I think you'll absolutely love it. You're going to want to just go ahead and buy it and just rock it out and get it. I mean, Mardi Gras is coming. Y'all are going to be going to balls. You're going to want to be wearing this green. You're going to want to be wearing the amethyst, the emerald or the amethyst. So just get it. while you still can, because it's limited. So y'all, I'm telling you now, once it's gone, it's gone. So make sure that you get in contact with me if you want to check it out. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next week. Step out of your comfort zone, girlfriend. We'll see you on the other side. Bye for now.